Professor Dr. Halil Atmaca, orthopedics and traumatology specialist. Professor Atmaca is one of the best doctors in his field, known in Turkey, specializing in spine surgery. He is known both at home and abroad with his nearly 20 years of experience in spine surgery, successful surgical operations and international articles. Professor Dr. Atmaca is currently serving both domestic and foreign patients in its private clinic located in Istanbul, Baghdad Street. Although individuals perceive scoliosis as a disease, Professor Dr. Halil Atmaca says that scoliosis is not a disease but a spinal deformity. Although the cause of scoliosis is not known precisely in the medical world, it is usually seen in individuals in the developmental age during adolescence. Depending on the degree of scoliosis and the condition of the patient, a surgical procedure or an exercise called Prof is recommended. Prof exercise method is done by doing exercises for 6 months accompanied by expert physiotherapists, and the results are reached by examining the examinations again at the end of the process. In patients applying from abroad, Professor Dr. Atmaca first examines the patient's examinations and provides an online appointment with the patient. In this online interview process, it is determined whether the patient needs a surgical operation or not. The surgical process is planned for the patients who need a surgical operation, and the patients come to Turkey. Surgical procedure is performed in the best-known hospitals of Turkey and the world. The operation takes approximately 3 hours and the patient gets up and walks immediately after the operation. Depending on the patient's condition, they are kept under observation in the hospital for 2 or 3 days. Afterwards, the patient is discharged and can continue his life comfortably and in a healthy way. One of the subjects that patients are most curious about: do I have any movement restrictions after the surgery? Dr. Halil Atmaca's answer: he can easily continue his sports, yoga and many other daily activities without any restrictions. Contact us for an online meeting with Professor Dr. Halil Atmaca.